Hey, it's Miss Alana here working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, just like you. Today is Monday, September 25th, 2017. You received these two sheets today. This should already be glued in your notebook. And this one, go ahead and cut Monday. It should have been cut and put in your notebook. Please hold on to the rest of it so I don't have to give you a new sheet or you don't have to write it over and over again. Have it glued right there with the directions. This is episode number 5, not number 10, number 5 of Next Level Extreme Expressions. All right. So right here we have number 5. Read that with me. It is parentheses 495 plus 126 parentheses times 83. All right. So I have that in my notebook. Raise your hand if you are working through these with me and you're doing it together with me. Raise your hand if you've already finished and you are checking your work. All right, awesome. Raise your hand if you're not watching the video. Ha, trick question. Okay, so right there. It's like it's hard for me to see. Okay, gotta put my neck sideways. Okay, so first we need to do what's in parentheses, which is 495 plus 126. And if you see, I put my work right here. And when you add, make sure that you show the numbers that you carry on top of the next place. And so that answer is what? 621, right there. Bam, right there. Times 83. Sometimes this thing is like a struggle. All right, but no struggle. So easy. Okay, where am I? All right, so for that multiplying, I showed it 2 different ways. I showed it. What are those 2 strategies for multiplying multi-digit numbers? The standard algorithm, which I showed right there, and the area model. Now, you can do one way. Raise your hand if you like doing the standard algorithm. Raise your hand if you like doing the area model. Raise your hand if you like doing both ways because you're just amazing like that. All right, and I like to do both ways. Not only because I'm amazing just like you, but because that helps me check my answer without being like, oh my gosh, I wonder if it's right. I can double check it just like that. And I don't even need to use the calculator because, bam, calculator in my brain. All right, so right here I have 621 times 83. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18, so there's the 18. I'm done with the 3. Cross that out, put the placeholder 0. Then I multiply with the 8. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Write the 6 plus 1 right there. 8 times 6 is 48, plus 1 is 49. And then I add everything together. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write the 4 plus 1 right there. And you can do 6 and 8 is 14 plus 1 is 15, or you can do 1 and 8 as 9 plus 6 is 15, or 1 and 6 is 7 plus 8 is 15. Whichever way that you like to add numbers, as long as you add them correctly. So there's the 5 plus 1, and then I like to do 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Or you can do 1 and 1 is 2 plus 9 is 11, but I rather put the 9 and the 1. It's a good combination right there, make a 10. And then that's 11, 1, carry the 1, and then 1 plus 4 is 5. All right, now to do it the other way, the standard algorithm, you need to break it up into expanded form. So 621 is 620 and 1, and then 83 is 80 and 3. Do you see that? All right, and then 80 times 600 is like 8 times 6, which is 48. Actually, you know what? Let me go ahead and circle back. 8 times 6 is 48. And then add the 3 zeros. And then, I was about to show you the next one. And then 8 and 2 is 16. Add the 2 zeros. 8 and 1 is 8 times the 0. Plus the 0 is a 0 right there. And then 3 times 6 is 18. Add your 2 zeros. 3 times 2 is 6. Add 1 0. And then 3 times 1 is 3. Add all these numbers in the boxes together. Go ahead, work that out. And I get 51,543, just like that one. And I'm like, bam, yes, I just slayed that math. Dab on that math. Am I tearing up my notebook? No, it's good to go. All right, so I highlighted my answer. Bam, right there for that one. We are halfway done. Moving on to the next one. Go ahead and find all the episodes that you need today. Make sure you're always checking your work, always show your work, being nice and neat, and say that math every day. All right, love you all.